Air fryer roast chicken. Can I get a woo woo? Wow. Cooking chicken in the air fryer is like my favorite way to make chicken now, especially roast chicken, because it's that awesome. So enough said, let's get into this recipe. Let's get cooking. Guys, we have our chicken already thawed right here, and all we need to do is pull it out of the fridge for about half an hour before you start, just to get things, you know, to room temperature a little bit. It cooks up a lot better when the chicken is warmer than actually really cold. We are going to dry the excess moisture off of our chicken. That is important because when you're roasting, we're using the dry heat, and we don't want it to be more like a bake. It's more like a roast. So it's kind of crispy, it's kind of dry, but it's also gonna be really moist because of the application of the salt and the brining action that's gonna happen. All right, so let's start with drying off our chicken. You know, a simple pat. You know, give your chicken some love. If you're busy on the weeknights and you have work to do and assignments to finish and homework to do the kids, the air fryer is gonna help with that process. All right, so we pat off the excess moisture because we want the chicken to be as crispy as possible. So that's step one. All right, so we have a discard bowl over here. By the way, guys, when you're cooking, just have a container that's nondescript for garbage, for disposal. It makes for a really easy cleanup. So we have our chicken here. I'm gonna take a sharp knife, and then I'm going to just slide my knife along either side of the backbone here. The reason I do this is because I wanna get some of that nice gelatin from the bones, the backbone, to make gravy at the end. So you just slide, hit, and just go down the back of the chicken. We managed to get our backbone out. So we have it now, the backbone is out for stock. I'm just gonna go and slide my knife through the breastbone, and we have two halves right here. And we're just gonna clean up and just dry off the chicken once more before we go into season. And guys, we're almost done. I can understand why the roast chicken is such a staple in like every cook's household. Even in culinary school, that's like one of the basic things that they teach you is how to do a basic roast chicken in an oven. First, season, basic roast chicken, salt and pepper. You could even just do this with salt alone, and I'm telling you guys, it's to die for. I did not love black pepper. I would always marvel as to why are these chefs on Food Network putting black pepper on everything.
And me, I love black pepper.
Yeah, yes, when I met Darren, he was just like, black pepper more. I was just like, what's up with this black pepper? Because you know, a lot of Jamaicans, typical Jamaicans, they're like, black pepper is like baby stuff. Them love them Maggi and them blend up seasoning, right? But no, trust me guys, roast chicken with black pepper and salt, nothing else. I tell you the truth. All right, so we're gonna go in liberally with our black pepper now. If you're short on time and you have a big old bottle of black pepper, it's still gonna taste good. It's not gonna hurt. The recipe is gonna be good. You will get a good, decent chicken, but fresh black pepper. You hear that? All right, so just gonna go through and grind it over here. This one is more chunky, which I actually like. I like kind of biting on chunks, but you can just toggle this little circle thing and it will adjust the thickness of the grinder. This is a workout, which I think is a good thing, right? It's just that one arm might end up being more muscular than the other because this one is doing all the work. I'm gonna put the store-bought black pepper on this tray and just use this as like a buffer or a control. We're gonna stick this in the regular traditional oven, and by the end of the video, you'll see how long it took, and we're just gonna compare the overall features with the one that's done in the air fryer.
Should you roast the chicken on an open rack to truly match an air fryer? Because you know the air fryer, the air goes all around it.
Yeah, that's a good point. So we will do that.
Okay.
We'll put the cookie rack over this baking sheet and roast this chicken. Darren is my sous chef and my control officer and everything. It's a pain working with him sometimes. To make our chicken even more crispy and delicious, I've decided to coat it with a little garlic infused coconut oil. And with that, we have a well salted chicken with fresh black pepper on both sides. And we're ready to start roasting. The oven and air fryer are both set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll see which one finishes first and tastes better. Guys, the race is on. The oven, the traditional oven is at 135 internal temperature. Let's take a peek and see how it looks. Now at this point, you can take it out and baste it with a little bit of oil from the bottom, or vegetable oil or coconut oil. We'll still get to that, but let's check the air fryer temperature and see how it's doing. Okay, so it's been going for about 25 minutes. Wow. It's looking like super crisp, way more crisp than the one in the traditional oven. I don't know, it looks pretty much done to me, babe. What do you think? And it smells so good.
Stick it in the breast.
All right, let's stick it. That's it. 150 is good. We can take it out now. We literally could take it out now because it's gonna have carryover cooking. So the idea is chefs like to take out meats about 5 degrees less than what the food safety is at 165 internal for chicken. But the breast cooks up faster than the red meat. It's basically done, guys. So as we can see, the air fryer has won the race already. But if you want to cook it all the way, the thigh is also at 150 something.
Yeah, see?
So we're gonna let it go for about a few more minutes. Yeah? But it looks good. It's super crispy. As you notice, the concentrated hot air that the air fryer affords you makes the crispy skin, man. It gives you that crispy skin. Whereas in the oven, it's not the case. We have to like put a lot of fat on it, give it some love. But I'm excited. The kitchen smells amazing. Let me go give some love to this other one. All right, so both of our chickens are out of the ovens, the traditional and the air fryer. Okay, so we have our 2 birds here. Started this one in a regular traditional oven and this one in an air fryer. Now, as this video is focused mainly on the air fryer, I definitely want to say that this one did live up to our expectations. It was able to roast our birds in a mere 25 minutes. And look at all of that caramelization that we have here. Now, it may look a little bit more shrunken and drier than this one, but that's fine. It's super soft and moist. You can feel it just by touching it like that. Even the breast, you can get that nice spring on it, but it's definitely fully cooked. And I'm just loving the aromas coming from it. You can smell that black pepper essence coming from this one. And then this one in the oven, it looks good. Like it's not as shrunken. So there's, I think, maybe more water in this. Yeah, it's cooked. It's not as caramelized as this one. I don't know. Let me know in the comments which one you guys prefer. But definitely this one took a longer time, almost 50 minutes in the oven. So again, if you're looking for a quick, no-brainer, no fuss dinner after you come home from work and you're tired and you're doing homework with the kids, the air fryer has got your back. I'm addicted to the air fryer and I'm never going back. Guys,
Taste it. I want to see which one is better. That's the true test, right?
Let's taste.
Yeah.
I am excited to try. All right, let's just go with the breasts. Okay. Salty. Big specks of freshly ground black pepper on there. Similar knife and fork feel. This one kind of feels slightly more tender, I think. I don't know if I'm biased, but yeah. This one is slightly more pungent in terms of the aromas coming off than this one. This one was milder, like a soft, aroma. This one is stronger. Biting and crunching into that freshly ground black pepper makes a difference. Oh yeah, it's definitely bolder. It almost tastes lemony, peppery, but not like hot. It's a subtle, gentle heat over the back of my tongue. And they're both pretty moist. I can't complain, guys. The moistness on these are very good. I just want to dig in and just make a big, nice, juicy sandwich from this right now.
Of the two, which would you do?
I mean, definitely air fryer if you want to save on considerable time, because we got this done in 25 minutes. I think on time alone, it's a no-brainer. The air fryer is definitely a gadget that people need because in this day and age, we're just so busy. Ooh, one more point. I love that I didn't have to babysit the chicken. Literally, I put it in there and almost forget it, and it just kind of cooked it perfectly. Whereas with this one, I had to baste it a couple times with the fat that rendered off to kind of help with the browning process. All right, guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I certainly had fun cooking along with Darren. This is a very simple dish, and I think you guys will love this hack of cooking your roast chicken in your air fryer. If you don't get one, go out and grab it and check the link below for all of the details that you need, the recipes, supporting recipes that you see in this video, the salad, the gravy, and that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.